welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing an introduction video. So firstly, my name is Teacher Ilona Smith. Some of you may know me at school more as Miss Smith, and welcome to my channel. I am a business studies teacher. I'm qualified to teach business studies up until grade 12, and I'm working at a high school teaching exactly that, business studies for the FET phase. I completed my BCom degree in 2017, which focused on strategic management specifically. I then moved on to do my honors degree in 2018, which specialized in management. And in 2021, I graduated and received my teaching qualification, which is a postgraduate certificate in education, in further education and training. Simply said, it basically means I can teach from grade 10 to grade 12 for business studies. So what can you expect on my channel? Alright, so as I've mentioned, I'm a business studies teacher, so that's exactly what you'll see on my channel. I do videos for grades 10, grades 11, and grade 12. I try between the weeks to split up and do at least a video on each every month, but I do definitely take suggestions, so that's what you can expect on my channel. I do want to also do revision videos, some exam prep videos. I know I've got a video on how to write essays in business studies, because I know that's the daunting one. That's one of the big ones in the exam, which counts a lot of marks. I'm also looking at doing past papers, so we'll go through a past paper together and then I'll give the answers as a memo and then give you tips and tricks, because sometimes the exams can be tricky and I can always mention what to look out for and keywords. And I do always believe that studying is important, but there's also a skill on how to write exam papers. And if you know what they're looking for, you know what they're asking, you'll ace that paper, and that's what you can expect on my channel. So the big question, why should you subscribe to my channel? There's many channels out there. Well, if you're a business studies student, I believe that's reason number one to subscribe to my channel. I post weekly videos on business studies. I dive into the content, I dive into it, and I can always give you extra resources on where to find videos and where to find extra information on business studies. I also have university and college students who like to join my channel because they like to get the basis and the background from the school perspective, because at college they don't really go through the background and some of the concepts in depth like they do in high school. And if you didn't have business studies in high school, you might find business studies tricky when you get to the college level. So definitely those students can subscribe too. And then people in the working world who want to expand their business knowledge. I have some of my subscribers who watch my videos on all the legislation, like the Skills Development Act and the Basic Conditions of Employment Act, that can help you in the working world, either when drawing up contracts or when analyzing your own contract. So definitely you guys can subscribe as well. I just want to take this time to look through some of the feedback and to encourage you on reasons further why you should subscribe to my channel. So here are some of the comments that I've received since my channel has been running. I started this channel back in 2020 in COVID, but I didn't post much. If you go look back at my history, I didn't post a lot of videos. I decided to take YouTube very seriously as of 2022, and I was posting every week and consistently, and I've just seen how much my channel has grown. So definitely check some of these comments and you can see just the impact that the channel is making, and I hope that you receive this impact too. I'm open to suggestions, so please at any time feel free to suggest a video. I definitely do put these suggestions into a spreadsheet and I try and get through them one by one as we go along. Just remember, I do have a planner as well. I've got a planner for the year, so I try and slot in your suggestion videos within that planner too. and I do hope that I get to most of the videos. I do have some from the previous year which I will just add in for the next year to come. So feel free, you can either comment down below, you can send me an email, I have that in my description. So just let me know what type of videos you're looking for. And then lastly, when do I upload? So I upload my videos once a week. I typically try to upload them on Saturday at 6 p.m. But if you don't see them then, you'll see them somewhere during the week. I am looking towards the analytics and seeing when you guys are mostly watching the videos. But I've seen that Saturday is a good day. So at this stage, we'll be posting on Saturdays. So you can see the videos there. Please don't forget to hit the notification bell. That way you can be notified when my videos are being posted and you can see them as they're being released. So, after all I've said, if this is what you're looking for and if you want to improve your marks for the next year with business studies, then please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and let me know what videos you're looking forward to in 2024. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next videos. Bye for now.